Our next topic is composition of functions. And composition of functions is when you're plugging one function into another. So this would be read as f composed with g. So you're plugging the g function into the f function. And this is another way to write that. So f of g of x. And then g composed with f is the f function plugged into the g function. And this does look like an O, but it's really the composition symbol. But some people do call this fog and this goff. So if you want to call them that, you'll probably hear me call them that. Those are like the unofficial names of them. And there's a nice chart here which says that if you have an x value and then you plug it into the g function and then plug that into the f function, then that equals f composed with g. So let's look at number one. We have two functions and they want us to find both f composed with g, or fog, and g composed with f, or goff. So let's do fog first. So fog of x, another way to say that is f composed with g, or you're plugging the g function into the f function. So I'm going to start by writing my f function. So this is equal to, and I'm going to put open parentheses wherever I see x's. So right here and right there. So I've just rewritten the original f function but put open parentheses where I see the x's. And I want to plug in the other function. So this is kind of like the substitution method of solving systems of equations. So if it looks a little bit familiar, that's why. So this right here is a hidden foil because a binomial squared, you need to write it twice. And then I'm going to distribute that. Then I want to FOIL. And then combine like terms. So this will be our answer. Next I want to do goff. Or you can write it like this. We are plugging in the f function into the g function. So this is really the reverse of what we've been doing. I want to write the g function, but I'm going to put a open parentheses where I see the x, and then I'm going to plug in the f function. So it's really the reverse of fog. And I need to distribute. And then combine like terms. And that will be my solution.